specialized maintenance company that provides a wide variety of services across the country. We also focus on hiring individuals with disabilities and veterans.
We do mostly maintenance contracts for different sites across the U.S., mostly DoD sites, DHS. The Fluke tools really enable our technicians. They give our technicians better decision-making in the field, more information at the time, whether they're doing preventive maintenance or corrective maintenance, enables them to make better decisions, helps us drive our safety program, and definitely our reliability program.
The use of the Fluke tools does provide a lot of cost savings for Skookum, both in the ability to capture information about potential catastrophic failure and avoiding that, and it's also more efficient for our employees to go out and capture that information. They're able to diagnose issues much faster than they could manually.
This Fluke tool and the other Fluke tools we have will save me hours and hours of time trying to find a repair and fix it. If it wasn't for this tool, we could spend a lot of money just trying to trace something that we can't find, and this solves it.
I like the thermal imager because if I'm having an issue that I can't explain to management, or I can't explain to someone who's actually paying the bills of why we need to replace things, I can upload a picture of something that is too hot, and I can upload it to the asset so everyone can see it, and there's no mistake about why I'm saying that we have bad bearings in a motor, or we need to replace this electrical component because it's too warm and it shouldn't be this warm. We can provide tangible stuff now to the government, to our customers with this. So we're not just saying it's bad, we can actually provide some data. So that helps us do our job better, it helps everyone just be on the same sheet of music. So
if it wasn't for this machine, there's a lot of the stuff that I've checked, like the gas at the hospital, stuff at the Navy housing and stuff where the gas leaks where we couldn't find them. Even if you put liquid soap on it or bubble soaps, it doesn't detect it 100%, but I can detect it 100% with this machine. And I know exactly right where it's at, and it shows me a picture of where it's at, and then I can flag it.
You're finding things before they become a problem, and now you can plan to shut them down as opposed to reacting and having to shut them down. You can figure out there's a problem before there's a problem, which is what we should be striving for, is preventative and not reactive.
We have seen an uptime in using the acoustic machine on repairs and stuff for the Navy.
So you save a ton of money by using it. Frustration from equipment going down. Our customers are upset because it went down, so we have to respond to a priority 1 emergency call. It could be after hours. You save everything by trying to do everything preventatively, and that's what this helps out with greatly.